Garmin's Move IQ feature automatically detects activity patterns and will record them as an activity in the Garmin Connect timeline. This feature is found on most Garmin watches. When your movements match familiar exercise patterns, such as walking, running, biking, swimming, or elliptical training, and it keeps continuing for at least 10 minutes, Move IQ will detect and record it as an activity and tags them as events. Then, let's take an example. You took a walk outside or inside for at least 10 minutes without setting as the activity. Then you open the Garmin Connect app and select Calendar. Events will be displayed on the Timeline tab as a gray icon. Tap the date which you want to see. It seems my walking activity has been successfully recorded by the Move IQ feature. The Move IQ events do not show in the activity history list, reports, or in a user's newsfeed in Garmin Connect. If you have a situation where a particular exercise is not being recognized, ensure some points. The exercise must be continuous and last at least 10 minutes. And the exercise is one of the Move IQ identified types. And of course, the device is being worn on your wrist. If you still have the problem, let's check if the feature is on. Tap More. Garmin Devices. Device Settings. Activity Tracking. And tap Move IQ to turn on and try it again. Move IQ helps the user to track what you have done throughout the day. But remember, timed activities will be the most accurate and include the most data. And that's it. For more details, click another video to keep watching or go to Garmin support website.